All right, what's going on, everybody? My name is Philip Banglade, and welcome to FxProNow. So you're just gonna fill out your basic information. Click where it says Open Live Account, and it's gonna send you an email. Once you once you get that email, which is gonna be right away, you're just gonna click on the button that says Complete Sign Up. Once you click on that button right there, it's gonna lead you straight to your actual account. Now, there's gonna be many different things that you're gonna have to do. All right, very simple stuff. So you have the dashboard. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go to My Accounts. And you want to click on this button right here that says Create Account, right? So there's different accounts that you can be able to create, right? If you want to do a demo account, you can be able to do that. But if you really want to actually start, getting into the market right now, click where it says MT4 ECN, right? Select your leverage, right? Now, like I said, if you're a brand new trader, I would suggest going a little bit below, let's say around 200. And then from there, you click on where it says Create Account, and then it'll actually create your account, right? So you go back to My Accounts, and then from there, you will see your actual account pop up. Now, you're going to want to fund it, right? In order to be able to fund it, let's say that, for now, like you just haven't done anything yet. The only thing that they're going to allow you to do is Bitcoin first, right? But if you want to use a debit or credit card, what you're going to do is you're just going to go to where it says the verification. Right, you're going to go to the verification, and then from there, just put in this information, either your license or whatever it is that you want to use, and then from there, take a picture of your license. Make sure it's clear. Make sure you follow these directions right here. You can be able to see the date. When it comes to the passport or the driver's license, whatever it is, and just make sure it's following these specific formats as well. Make sure it's a clear picture, because you don't want to get denied and then you have to do it again, blah, 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 blah. Now, when it comes to this section right here, what you're going to do is you're going to pick from this list right here: bank statement, utility bill, credit card, whatever it is. Just make sure that it's not older than 3 months. That's very important, so that they can be able to verify that this is you. Now, the easiest way that I did was I took a picture with my phone, send it to myself through email, and then from there put it onto here, or send it to myself through Facebook Messenger, and it's worked very well. So once you actually deposit, and if anything, there's gonna be a video on deposit, just go to the next video. Then you can be able to actually, what you're gonna do is just make an internal transfer from your funded account to your actual live account, and we'll go on from there. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. If this is, if anything, let me know. Is this broker working for you? How has this broker treated you? And if you have any ideas of other future videos, let me know as well. Leave a comment, and I greatly appreciate your time. Let's become FX Pro.